So good day everyone, I am Jenny B. Franco and today the website that I'll be presenting is Plifity. So Plifity is an online pre-tool that turns Google Sheet into interactive learning activity. So it also has ready-to-use template that work instantly even without making a sheet. So it's flexible, simple, and great for teachers. Unlike popular apps like Kahoot or Quizzes that only make quizzes, Plifity has more than 20 different templates like certificate quiz where student can receive a certificate once they pass the quiz. So many teachers are not familiar with it yet, so it feels new and refreshing. So, ang ipapakita ko naman sa inyo ay isa sa mga activities is Flippity ay ang certificate quiz kung saan magkakaroon ng quiz at mabibigyan ng certificate ang mga bata. So, just click the instruction and makita natin ang step-by-step na guide ng ibinibigay ng Flippity. So, makikita nyo may highlighted, may yellow dyan, and kapag clinic nyo yun is mapupunta kayo sa Google Sheet. So, make sure na i-make a copy nyo yun and mapupunta kayo sa mismong sheet na provided ni PPT. So, yan, makikita nyo na meron dyan mga questions and you can modify the questions and makikita naman natin na ang green na highlighted na Q is questions and yung highlighted na yellow na A na may asterisk is ayun yung answer dun sa quiz. So yan, you can modify the questions and kung may generate na natin siya sa quiz is make sure just click the file, then share it and publish to web. So yan, makikita natin may lalabas dyan na link. So just copy the link. Yan, just copy the link. Then, makikita natin sa another tab is the get the link here. So, pinutin natin yan. So, ika-copy-paste lang natin siya doon sa number 2, which is, ayan, makikita natin, ikinopy-paste natin, and automatic na mag-generate yung certificate quiz doon sa baba. So, i-click na natin yung quiz. So, ayan. Mapupunta na tayo directly doon sa quiz link. So, ayan. This make various lessons more interactive, engaging, and student-centered.